Hey everyone, welcome to $2 Tuesday. So today's $2 Tuesday is by the sea. This one, it's super serene and just kind of tranquil, I think. Here is a closer look at those full boxes here. And then the next page is the functional icons. So you have like little tiny ones and a whole bunch of different you may use for the entire week, plus some script stickers in your weekly sidebar here. And then we have the checklists. They're just blue and some of them have like an ocean type thing in the background, except for this one. Then we have the functional boxes. So here are the boxes with the washies, your extra sidebar type of stickers if you want to use those for the sidebars, like for the habit trackers and stuff. And then we have a whole bunch of boxes, so half boxes, little tiny skinny ones, and then a bunch of quarter boxes here as well. The next page is the functional deco page. So this has a bunch of flags and stickers that you could use to layer or just kind of like pull out information. I use these to make sure that like I take note of something because it has like a different shape. And then here are some washies and some decorative boxes here, plus an extra sidebar sticker there. Lastly, for the deluxe kit, we have the washi and date headers sheet. So it just has like some ocean washi and then the rocks down at the bottom. And here's a closer look at those date headers here. So that's basically everything for $2 Tuesday. Make sure you go check the description for the link directly to this. Now, if you missed $2 Tuesday, because I usually take them down right before Friday, they will be on Etsy for the rest of the week. So until the next Tuesday basically. So make sure you check those out. But that is it for $2 Tuesday. I will link everything down below. Make sure you subscribe for Friday's release. You might not want to miss Friday's video. It's a little different than my normal release video, but that's because I'm showing you guys a few different things. That is it, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye everyone.